Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to this gameplay of Watchdog Crime Catchers. The comment of the video is, "You're awesome." Thanks. Okay, so we are now out driving around, just waiting, looking for crime. Let's go here. Crime Central. And we have our first crime. The crime is detected. Let's set a waypoint. Go, 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 go. Guy over there looks pretty dodgy. Ooh, that guy looks even worse.
This is the place. This guy is going to act. He'll be nearby.
Knew he was the victim. I just knew it. Okay. I'll hide behind the car here, because I know that the... Here he comes, here he comes. Here he comes. No, we don't want to be caught. Oh, he knows that there's someone must be around. Here he comes. This guy's such an idiot. Come on. Come on. Oh.
You should have left town, pal.
You! Stop!
Boom! Yeah! Got him! Taken down! Let's get back in the car before someone calls the cops because I have a gun. Oh, sorry. I killed that guy. Woke that bum up. It's just... Yeah. Start profiling people as they walk past. Oh. Yes, is a crime. Crime catchers are away. Oh, I just killed, injured. Sweet. That's better than kill. Almost there. Oh, it's a gang hideout. Quit mission. Let's go get my payment out for being a crime catcher. Let's see. $11,000. Being a crime catcher really pays off. A crime. Crime detective. Right. Crime Stoppers is on their way. Just unsuspecting pull into the car park. No one will even know. Victim. Oh no!
Yo! Get out of here!
Yeah, that's right. Uh-oh. Damn it! He's gotten away. We need to get into our crime stop. Crime Stopper's car. That's why I chose a good fast car. Good little. Oh! Boom! Oh God! Yeah, that's what you get, buddy. Get out of the way, people. Crime Stoppers is here. We have a crime. A crime's being detected. Crime Stoppers is on their way.
Gotta find this guy fast.
Oh, there he is. I found ya, you little booger. Occasionally walk along. There he is. Let's go. Okay, so make this happen. Gotta be quiet, you guys. Can't let this guy know I'm here at all.
Alien! It's an alien! That's enough. Back up, shit.
Oh crap, I missed. Because my guy said something. That's his. Got him! Yeah, take that, you turkey neck monkey boy. Oh, I like that car up there. Ah, the bloody sun's in my eyes. Oh, that's better. Oh, God. Damn. Oh, no. I see that happening from a mile away. Those two people that died, they just don't know how to listen to a horn from a car. A crime has been detected. Crime detectives is on their way.
Hey, man.
Crap, it's in here. They ran out. Damn. Shoot at me. This is shooting. Come on. Oh, God damn it.
911, what is your emergency?
Yeah, I'm calling because I'm hearing gunshots.
Oh, he smacked the bullet. Oh, he glitched for a second. Oh yeah, I think I got him. I got him! Okay, now I need to get out of this area. Crap! The cops are after me. The good guy. That's okay, I know how to get rid of cops. Oh. Boom! I got rid of that one. Digital Crowd CTOS access. I don't need it. Wait, I have it.
Chicago police have issued a warrant for the vigilante, Aiden Pierce. However, Chicago citizens are cheering Pierce on. With so much citizen support, police are having a hard time getting any tips on his whereabouts.
Yes! Thank you, citizen. Thank you, ma'am, for your kind donation. Thank you, too, ma'am, for any donation. Heck. Thank you for your contribution. Oh, thank you for your kind donation. Oh, you want to donate too, sir? Thank you. Crime Stoppers always needs the monies. Anyone else feel like donating? Oh, sir, you would like to donate. Oh, thank you for your kind donation. Anyone over here want to donate? Oh, you too, sir. Thank you very much. Oh, you're telling me about a potential crime. Thank you, that helps Crime Stoppers a lot. I shall take this car. Because the person donated it to me. Must head towards the crime. We're almost there. Here we go, here we go. Okay, okay. Slow down, bro. Slow down. Okay, that's either the victim or the criminal. Okay, he's the victim. He's the victim. Just gonna try and figure out where the criminal will be. I might just hide behind. Oh, there's the criminal! There's the criminal! I found him. I found him. I found him first. Come on.
Well, I ain't feeling it, man. You fucked up.
Oh, what?
Hey,
What? Yeah, take that. I had a silencer on and all. Crime Stoppers has stopped another crime. Oh, hello, sir. You want to donate? Thank you for your kind donation. Oh. Are you okay?
No.
Are you okay? Are you okay? No, no, wait, come back here. Come back. I'm not trying to hurt you. Just stop. Stop running. Stop running away. Oops. Oh, his body was having a fit. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, donation. Thank you.
Sure, I'm glad. And what are some of the things that can happen?
Oh. A crime has been detected. It's near. It's in the vicinity. Must move towards the crime. Quietly and swiftly. Oh, excuse me, sir.
Gotta keep an eye out.
Oh, look out! There he is! Crap! I just injured a couple of civilians. Oh, you want to make a donation? Thank you, sir. Now, where? There he is. There he is. That's the criminal. Oh!
I'll take pennies, man. Anything.
I'm sorry, sir. I don't carry cash. Got an iPhone? Oh!
Hey, I'm hungry. Can you help me out?
No! Oh, that was a very close one. Okay, so I can see who his victim is going to be.
No, please, no! You're gonna have a problem here.
Boom! Got him! Okay, so now I need to make my getaway.
911, what's your emergency?
Police, we got gunfire.
Hello. I
Got
think I
him.
lost a caller
Here we
on the
go.
line.
You call for help, you die. Oh, there's someone else calling for help. I'm gone. Doesn't matter anymore.
911, please state the nature of your emergency.
Fire.
Oh, what? Oh, no, wait. I have a business conference. I have to be back over there. Get out of the way, you stupid. Get out of the way! Go! Go, 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 go. Yes. Man, that was intense. These people just keep getting in my way. Crime has been detected. Time to stop it. Put all crime to an end. This will be the last crime of the day. Then we'll go see what I paid. Place. Look at this guy. Girl, my bad, sorry. Who's this?
Oh God, no.
No! Got him! Yeah, take that, you turkey neck. Now, let's go see how much money we've made on our crime fighters. No, wait, crime stoppers spree. We made $84,000. $360,000. Like, share, subscribe. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Donation link in the description below. Please leave a comment on what you would like to see a video of. It can be literally anything, and I'll see if I can do it. Obviously, nothing stupid and gross. That's just silly. Don't be silly now. But you know, I do game reviews and stuff. So I've got a fairly decent PC now. And, videos of things exploding. So, don't forget to check us out. Thanks.